This is a story of my regular appearances before Datuk Sri Ram, one of which was in relation to, an arbitration matter. 10 years later, I was arguing an extremely complex arbitration matter before him. And what happened was, leave had been granted before the court, but the record of appeal were with me. I had served it on the court and on all the parties, but the court didn't have the record of appeal. The court had the leave application bundle, which was another proceeding altogether, and there was a difference in page numbering by 47 pages. And he says, I don't have the record of appeal with me. The registrar has brought before me the leave application bundle. I want you to start arguing. I'm going to consider this leave application bundle as if it's a record of appeal. Imagine, my numbering was different, the court's numbering was different, and he was not a man who would brook delay. He wouldn't accept arguments like, I'm sorry my lord, I've got my page number wrong, perhaps the court's number is this. He won't brook these kind of arguments. Purely by remembering my number, I went to a Tamil school, so my maths is pretty good. So 2047 minus 47, my lord, can you please look at page 2000? And then he would turn, and this is how it went. And that was the case. He raked me over the coals, and eventually he gave a decision in my favor. That matter ended up in the federal court, and today in relation to arbitration matters, it's one of those principal authorities, and that's how kind he was. And later on, when he retired as a judge, he would meet me at the court corridors and he would call me over. Come, what's the point you're arguing? This is the point. No, don't look at it this way. Look at it this way. Think about it that way. Think about it the other way. Don't approach the judges with this kind of argument. It sounds stupid. Say something intelligent and say it for God's sake within 2 minutes. You got that? I said, yes, sir. Okay, off you go. And so he spoke like this to everybody in the corridor, and they all grew to love him. And today he's considered the leading light in the bar. And thank you for listening to this story. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to tell you another story shortly.